Welcome to Digital Wisdom. My name is Bobby Thomas. Today I am talking about email marketing. Yes, in 2021, there are so many ways to market digitally. Mostly, when people are talking about digital marketing, people are thinking about markets on social media, YouTube, or any other mediums. But so many people are ignoring a good quality email markets. When we're talking about email marketing, so many digital marketers or business people are confused about the quality or the relevant results from email marketing. So my answer is always yes. If you've done correctly, email marketing can be highly effective way to communicate with customers. Email marketing allows you to build a relationship with the leads, customers, and past customers. It's a good opportunity to speak directly to their inbox. Using modern technology and cloud-based services, we can automate email marketing very easily these days. So today I am talking about Zoho campaigns. To access Zoho campaigns, visit zoho.com/campaigns there. Zoho campaign is a part of a cloud bunch of softwares. So you can access, you can buy it from individually, or you can buy as a combo. So today I am talking about Zoho campaigns. So we can go to the pricing model. There are email based pricing models. Also there is a free plan. In using free plan, you can send 12,000 emails per month, up to 2,000 contracts. I believe if you are starting a business, go for a free plan, then you can upgrade as your requirement. So registration is free. You can very simple, and you can register with the your email ID, and with the password you specify there. And we can, so I already registered with Soho campaign, so I'm going to access Soho campaigns here. So it will lead you to Soho dashboard. Campaign dashboard is very user friendly and simple to use dashboard. In the left side, you can see different types of automation, contacts, campaigns, and library reports, etc. I'm not talking much about automation activities, but I will put more information about automation in the later sessions. But today I wish to talk about as basic things, like how to there is a regular campaigns. I clicked on regular campaigns there. Then there is an option to create campaign in the top corner. Create a campaign. Here you can add subject, sender, and recipient address. We can add a recipients. uh, Here, if you click there, you can create the list here. If you have already email list, you can select from there. Otherwise, you can add email IDs, and you can add create a list using that email IDs. Okay, so here we create added recipients. Then we can create the create content here. Click there. Then there is option like saved template, pre-designed template, basic templates. If you are using basic template, then it will show you some basic template options, like we can use the basic templates. Here in the left side there is a element, so we can add the widgets from just drag and drop method, something like that. So it's very easy to use, something like that. So we can add more alignments options, or more text options in a easy way. And there is an option to preview there. We can add the previews. We can test with test we can try with the test emails. Then if you are creating an email template, then I always suggest you to test first. Send for testing email to your email ID, then you can go with that. If you are perfect with that email, then then you can blast that mail into the your subscribers. Other way is like that, when you're creating a campaign, you can the advantage with Soho is like that there are so many pre-designed templates. You can click the pre-designed templates from the collections here, so it's very easy. If you are trying to send emails on a particular shopping season, or in particular any with a carnival, or any offer days, or Cyber Monday, or you can select the campaigns. So imagine you are creating a campaign for Christmas, then you can put on click on there, and there is an option to use this templates option there. I believe this is the best way to create campaigns and automate your systems, especially email marketing system, in a easy way. If you have any doubt about the email marketing or Soho campaigns, you can comment below to the video. Thank you for watching videos.